up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and we're making another unboxing of this shotgun
that we found at Walmart.
Yes.
Okay, so it's called
the double fire shotgun.
It says Adventure Force. Here.
It shoots double at once.
Here, let me shut this window.
Just do some stuff.
It's making your camera so you can't see it.
Yeah. Oh yeah, that looks really fun.
I don't think it did much, but okay, yeah, it says double fire. Shoots up to 85 feet. I mean 80.
Wait, that's a lot.
6 darts. Double shooter. So let's go into it.
Oh yeah. So how about we just do it from here?
Dude, you're sitting in front of the camera.
Sorry guys. Okay.
You're dumb.
So we're gonna get under.
Let me do it.
Okay. Yeah. I don't.
Okay, I'm taking over his YouTube channel. Start from over here as he does dances in the background. Here, 1 second, guys. We'll be back.
Okay.
Okay, guys.
So this is the shotgun. Yeah, looks kind of cool.
It opens up.
No, you have to pull it back, like. See?
Here, I'll do it. Yeah, so you open it up like this. We didn't open the bolt up yet, so
yeah, I'm just gonna
let us do that up real quick.
Okay, so yeah.
Yeah, we got the bullets.
Okay,
They look like this.
Yeah. So I'm gonna put it in.
1 sec, guys. This is kind of wrong way, you idiot. Here, let me do it.
Yeah, so he can't get in. Those are weird bullets. Okay, I want to shoot it. We'll shoot
Wait, let me tell them. Okay, so once it looks like this. Oh, guys, we messed up. Let me try something. Which one has the bullet? I think this one. Wrong one. Okay. I know, guys, never look down the tube. Oh, it didn't even go down.
Okay, this thing.
So, guys, we're going to shoot it pretty far. So,
yeah.
We're going to take you back down here. I'm taking over his YouTube channel. I'm going to shoot all the way at that window. Can I shoot? Or do you want to?
I want to.
It's your YouTube channel anyways.
So, yeah, so I'm going to try shooting.
You can see it hit those blinds. Let me shoot one more time. You'll see those blinds move, okay? I'm not even going to look. That's how good the aim is. Yeah.
Yeah.
And then once you need to reload, you quickly
You just like place it in.
You quickly do it. Say if there's a robber and you need to shoot them. Then you get this Nerf gun out and you're like, how you like me now? And then the robber will run away like a little scaredy cat.
Yeah. Why did he go over here?
Okay, I'm gonna.
No.
No, come here so I can show how good.
Okay, wait.
This is the damage it does to a human. Okay.
Ow! That hurt.
They couldn't see it. Come closer.
No. Ow! Ow! the closer
Okay, guys,
the harder.
I'm gonna let's take you over here.
Yeah.
And then he's gonna shoot me next.
Okay, yeah. Gonna shoot it. Just look out of me.
Okay, here you go.
Okay, I'm gonna is there bullets in there?
No. There's 6 bullets, so remember.
Yeah.
Yeah, it comes with 6 bullets, so yeah. So,
Okay.
pretend I'm a robber. I come. I'm like, ah! He gets back up.
Okay, yeah, so that's where you get shot in the back.
Yeah.
This thing is really powerful.
Yeah. No, it's not that powerful, but.
It's one. Yeah. Yeah, this is our other shotgun. But compare this one to this one. Yeah, you grab this one.
Okay, so.
Which one is cooler? Comment down below.
I'm just giving you a while to see all the details and
Yeah.
stuff.
Wait. Let them see the tube in this one. Yeah, it's like all black.
Okay, and then put them next to each other.
Yeah, and his is like really like it's only black, but this one's like orange and it looks a lot cooler.
Also,
This looks like a pump.
this one right here, you can turn it and bring it off. You can put it back on.
Yeah. This is for so if you run out of ammo, just take that off.
But this
and
one
smack.
is a lot easier to reload.
Yeah, but
All you have to do is
this
this.
one.
And it comes down. Let's try one of these bullets. Then you throw it back up, reload it. I won't shoot my hand out.
That's just guys. Okay, I'm gonna try shooting the camera.
I like this one better than that one.
Yeah, I like this one. Oh,
Dude. To be continued.
does it? Difficulty problems. Okay, just take the bullet out.
Yeah, we have some mental problems.
Oh yeah. Yeah, don't worry, we're gonna put an intro on this.
No, we won't.
Yes, we will.
I'm just kidding. Okay.
And, whoa. And I'm gonna jump in.
Okay.
Yeah, so we might make a boxing video. And so yeah, we might make another boxing video. So like part 3, part 2, part 8, and yeah, so it can get a lot of views, get a lot of subscribers, and hope you subscribe to this. And
We're not done.
I know. I'm just hoping you like the video, and yeah.
Yeah, I'm obviously taking over his YouTube channel now. I'm gonna have 2 channels at once.
This is my YouTube channel. I will not chuck you in the
Bring
face.
me another bullet.
Huh?
Bring me another bullet.
Take it.
By the way, this is what it looks like.
I'm getting nunchuck.
And here, yeah, you put the bullet right there. You can see the bullets. Where did the other one go? Seriously, where did the other one go? Disappeared like magic.
What the?
Oh, it's right here.
Okay, guys. So
Sometimes it
can we
sounds
get to like 50 subscribers or 100? I would be super happy.
yeah.
And then I will make some channel, make it better, and actually add intros and music and stuff, and yeah, and play like
Rangers
games.
only hands. Okay, I'm gonna compare these 2 guns. Apparently, this one shoots at 2 bullets at once. So I'm gonna shoot. Should I shoot? No, I'll shoot this way. Okay. Wait, should I shoot this way? No, I'll shoot. Okay.
Yeah.
So they're at the same.
Whoa!
Okay, this one shot way faster, but
That was
I'm gonna check and see if this one. No, it only shot 1 bullet.
yeah. It shoots. No, that one's a lot better because you don't have to keep reloading it. You can just shoot it twice.
You can see the other one is still here.
The reason I got this one because since I really like Fortnite and I run this car or
It's
something.
not a Fortnite one.
It looks like a pump.
Yeah, it does. supposed to block that with your nunchucks.
Wait. Okay, hey, Iron Man, I never told you to hold these.
Okay. You're not holding them right.
Oh, he hit him. Wait.
Okay, well, is that it for the video?
Yeah. So make sure you subscribe and like, comment, and check what's and see if we can get some good mass and subscribers.
Video.
Yeah. So we will make a new video tomorrow, and
Peace!
peace.